Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, welcome back to Unboxmas. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. If you are returning, hello darlings, how are you? Happy Wednesday, it's hump day. Today is like, I think the 15th of December. We are in the midst of it. We've got like 10 days until Christmas. Oh, the countdown has started. Is everyone excited? Yay! I know, I'm excited. I'm getting excited. This is when I start to get excited, when it's like very close to almost being Christmas. So if you're new here, welcome, settle in, sit down. We're doing unboxings until Christmas in case you didn't get the gist of it. If you are returning, hello darlings, how are you? How you been? Are you good? Shout out to all the amazing return subbies that keep coming in here and posting in the comments and saying hello and checking in. I truly appreciate you all. So thank you so much for dropping in again, if you're here again. Okay, so we're gonna get to it. The times. I know, we try. All right, so we struggle with time and staying on track, but I'm a chatterbox. What can I tell you? This is like, I don't get too much adult interaction, so me sitting here talking to you like this is my adult interaction, part of my adult interaction. Anyway, all right, so we're in it today. I told you though, I tried to anyway, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna shoot you over to the beginning of Unboxmas. I think I say it in the beginning of Unboxmas, but I'll put the playlist up in the iCard so you can see what's been going on here. But basically, I went from being very anti-Chanel, not anti-Chanel, but I was not playing the Chanel games, to okay, yeah, so yeah, just one more thing, no. So yeah, I've been busy. I've been bonding with Chanel. Well, Louis Vuitton is playing those games, right? Like, I keep calling, nothing's available. Louis Vuitton doesn't want to come over. It's like a dating thing, right? So Louis is never available for me, never has time, doesn't show up, So, you just start doing other things. So here we go. So it's another Chanel unboxing. What have we here? Okay, this is, yeah. All right, this is pretty tight. So let me see what I can do to get her out. Another Chanel unboxing. What's in here? So it's the receipt. It's just, folded up, and the essays card. Let me turn it around for you. Okay. Ooh, now this might be a thumbnail. Oh, quick. Okay, before we get into the unboxing, I have to tell you. So, I've been thinking about, my fitness journey, right? Like trying to get into a healthy mindset. So one of the ways that I get into a healthy mindset is that I try to buy, I buy workout clothes, because that makes me start to think about working out. Because if it's like, oh, okay, then I want to wear that to go and work out kind of thing. So Lululemon now makes their size inclusive up to, it's not really size inclusive, it's only up to, but they go up to size 20 now. And I've been buying some of their bits, and I bought some in like 18s and 20s, and to be honest with you, they were actually they're a little big. Like, I could have probably gone down a size, but I've been obsessed with Lululemon, obsessed. So I'm wearing this is one of their jackets or whatever, I don't know what it's called, a line or something. I will put it down in the description box, but really love it. Really nice material. I've been wearing these through my entire thought process of if I'm going to start working out or not. Not if, when I start working out, I have all these options and so on, but I would definitely buy it again. Yes, they're a bit pricey, but you get what you pay for. But yeah, so just wanted to shout that out. If anyone is also thinking about potentially learning how to maybe try to one day go and work out you might want to look into Lululemon because of I love the size inclusivity. I don't know about in store. I don't know if they're doing that in store, but online they have a lot of options, and yeah, I like it. It's super comfortable, and I just wanted to give that a little plug. Lululemon, if you're looking for a plus size model, voila. Okay, anyway, all right, here we go. So unboxing. See, now we're professionals. So we've got stickers. Sticker goes on the box. Sorry, I was going to put it on the bag again. Sticker goes on the box. Undoing the ribbon. Oh my gosh, what could it be? What could it be? Oh my gosh, this is a bigger box. This is a bigger box. These are not, I mean, what could these be? Bigger earmuffs. This is a big box for earmuffs. I don't know. Okay, taking the lid off. I'm cracking up. Oh, it cracked me up. All right, here is like I don't know, another card or something. I don't know what that is. All right, fussing with it. Oh, okay, I'm not doing a good job here. All right. Oh, I should have probably angled the camera down so I can hold it up for you. What do you see? You guys are going to kill me. Yes, do you see what's happening here? Not one, but two. Do you know what this is? So remember, if you don't, you know, again, I encourage you to check out my previous Unboxmas videos. But remember when I said, I can't buy another designer trainer. I can't buy another, like, I just can't buy another designer trainer. And you're probably like, yeah, whatever, you know, okay. No, because it needs to stop. Like it's a problem. It needs to stop. This is probably, no, I'm lying. I was going to say this is the last one, but it's not. I have one more that I want to get. I didn't buy it as yet, but I want to get. But these are, what are these called? These are Chanel, what are they called? I don't know, it doesn't say, it just has the number. This just has a number size. I believe these are called the denim suede trainers, sneakers. I don't know what they call them, but if I can find the stock image, I tried to look before I started filming just to see if I could find it, and I didn't see this exact one. There are some other variations of this, so I'm not sure if this is maybe like an older style. That's possible, or like not, I don't know, maybe like, I don't know all the seasons and so on, so I don't know what a 21K 21P whatever, like that's in regards to, I guess, the bags or what have you, but I don't know what season this is from, if that makes sense. But yeah, so this is denim and suede. Oh my gosh, these look so sick. And then it's got like this, I don't know what this is, like leather, like patent leather situation going here that says Chanel. And then the bottoms, look at the bottoms, and those are all CCs all over the bottoms. So I just got the Dior ones that I just unboxed, and I felt like the Dior ones were a lot more of a warmer months shoe, even though they are high top, they are definitely like very thin and very whatever. So I wanted something more for like the colder months, and I feel like this is definitely it. I can't wait for it to like snow, and then I wear these and like step into the snow, and I leave CCs all over when I'm walking. so random, but that's what I think, like that's what I'm thinking about. All right, let's get the other one out. Oh, these look so good. So this is, I hope the camera's picking up, but it's black and gray, and with white, with the white laces, white trim on it. I will try to get some mod shots. These I got in a 43. The Dior B23s, the high tops, were a 44. So I would say that these run a bit big. I don't know if that goes for all Chanel trainers. These are men's. So I don't know if for all the men's trainers, if they all run a tad on the larger side or not. These are my first Chanel trainers, so I can't tell you, you know, like historically they run larger or what have you. Like I know Gucci trainers tend to run quite large, but yeah, I don't know, but I like these a lot. They do kind of complement my whole Chanel black and white, black and cream vibe that I'm going for. So I really needed to add these to my collection. I feel like they're classic enough that it will always be like, it'll always look good, you know. It's timeless, no matter what is in style or what have you. Like, this is always going to be a flex, you know what I mean? Like, whether it's low top, high top, what have you. I feel like the Dior ones can be a bit more trendy, but I don't care, I like it anyway. But they're a bit more trendy, but I feel like these I can like get away with forever. Like, I'm gonna be like, you know, I can be like 60 and then you cross your legs in the shop and it's like boom, Chanel, and it's like, oh, okay, I see you. And it also has Chanel the CCs on the back. Love all the little subtle logos happening. I love a good logo. I just think these are they're just so clean. They look so clean. They look so freaking fresh. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with these. Oh, they look so good. Like, these are going to be good now. I could even rock these into the summer if I wanted to, depending on the outfit. I can go like completely light colors with it, or I can do something darker with it. I can go pick up the kids with these. I can go to brunch with the ladies with these. Like, it's just a great flex. I'm obsessed. I think this is such, so happy. So I'll pop in some mod shots. Oh, pricing, right? Pricing, what was it? Let me look. So pricing for these guys was, with tax, $13.95. So, you know, yeah. But like I said, I'll see if I can find similar ones. But yeah, they were not cheap. I guess, you know, whatever, with the suede and so on. I mean, but you know what, honestly, they're about what the B23s go for. You know, give or take a couple of dollars. So yeah, so I mean, this is kind of like the wheelhouse that we're in. But they're just so classic. I mean, come on, it's just, you know, such a great flex. I'm obsessed. So anyway, that's it for me. That was really fast, right? I feel like that was really fast, but I'll check the camera to make sure to see. Perhaps I'll put some clips in or something, because that seemed really, really short. But anyway, I am done. Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when we're in here dropping these gems, when we have these converted individuals who used to be Louis Vuitton lovers and are now turning into Chanel buyers. Who are you? Who are you, and what did you do with Auntie Ren? I just want to know what's going on. All right, I will talk to you a lot tomorrow. Everybody have a good one wherever you are. Talk to you soon. Bye.